Hi guys, so today we solved this problem called unique length 3 palindromic subsequences. Let's read the problem. So we've been given a string as return the number of unique palindromes of length 3 that are subsequence of S. Note that even if there are multiple ways to obtain the same subsequence, it is still counted once. A palindrome is a string that reads the same forwards and backwards. Subsequence of a string is a new string generated from the original string with some characters deleted without changing the relative order of the remaining characters. For example, ACE is a subsequence of A, B, C, D, E. Right. Cool. So we've been given a string and we need to find the number of subsequences which are basically palindrome. Palindrome is something which can be read the same forward and backward. So something like ACA is a palindrome because it is the same if it's front or backwards, right? So even if you reverse it, it's going to be the same value. So we need to return the number of number of three letter palindromic subsequences which are present in this. So one of the approaches for this problem can be just to find out the indexes of similar letters and know the number of values or different kind of characters which are there in between those two strings. So yeah, that will be the approach for solving this problem. It's quite straightforward. Let's get to the coding part in order to understand this better. So let's get to the coding part. First of all, I'll keep all these letters in set, right? I'll have a set S of having all these letters and answer equal to 0, right? And then for letters in letters, sorry, for letter in letters, I'll be iterating through. And as I told you, I'll find the first and the last index of the characters. So first index is letter and yeah, the last index is basically the we'll do our index, which will give us the last index of that letter in that string, right? And once we get that, we have to create another set, which will be basically denoting the number of unique characters which are in between the two similar characters. So I can have something like space characters in between, so that will be like an empty set. So I'll just iterate from for k in range from I plus 1 to j, right? And that I'll traverse, and I'll keep on adding this in the s of k. And finally answer is basically the length of the uh, char between s- uh, can between set, and then we return the answer in the end. So that is the idea. So we maintain a set. We know the first and last index of the same character, and we iterate through between and identify number of unique characters which are in between. Number of unique character denotes the number of possible three-letter subsequence of palindromic string that we can create. So let's run this to see if everything is working fine here. And yeah, that works. Let's submit it. So okay, so yeah, that is accepted. Cool. I hope you guys understood the problem. Thank you.